Hi folks, this is Neeraj, Executive Chef of Sofitel Mumbai BKC. What I have today is this New Zealand green mussels, which is from United Fish Company, which is harvested in fresh clear waters in sustainable conditions, and is imported by Quality New Zealand and is available in all the food stores which around you, like Food Hall, Nature's Basket, Big Basket, and I think Le Marche also has it. Let's get ready to make up this Vietnamese inspired steamed mussels. I'm going to use some olive oil. Switch on the pan, throw in some olive oil, put some crushed garlic. Now this garlic, I don't want you to chop it, just bruise it a little bit. 4-5 of them. I'm using half a kg of mussels, so kind of 4-5 garlics is good enough to impart flavor. Then I've taken some coriander stem. Now I'm not using coriander leaves because I want the intense flavor of the coriander, and that's the reason I use the stem, or you can even use the roots. This also goes inside. Put in some peppercorns, some lemon leaf fresh from my garden. Make sure that you tear off the leaf so that the aroma or the oils of the leaf comes out. Make sure the garlics are not caramelized. I'm going to add some Asian herbs if you have. So I have some kalangal here and some lemongrass here. So what I'm going to do is 2 slices of the kalangal. Have some got cherry tomato as well. I think I need a couple of more tomatoes. I'm going to put some white wine into it and deglaze the pan. The stock will become a little acidic and it will give a lemony punch. Squeeze in some lemon. We're making the basic broth for the mussels. The wine is reduced, I guess, and now I'm going to put in some stock. If you don't have stock, you can just put a little water in, because you will have the intense flavor of the mussels going to them. So give it a boil. And then once this is ready, and once the stock is boiling, I'm just going to throw in these mussels. Now these mussels are fresh from the farm, quite supple meat, you can see that. They are quick frozen, which means the shell is intact. They are very high in protein, low in fat. For salt, I'm going to add some fish sauce. This will impart flavor as well. Some chili. Now this I did add before because I want the spiciness to be subtle. And I'm going to put in some herbs. Now, these mussels are pasteurized, so you don't need to cook long. I've just covered it up, and it's been 2-3 minutes now. I have roughly chopped the celery, the spring onions, and we'll just throw them in, and some basil as well. And I'm just finishing it with a little bit of sugar. And the steamed mussels are ready. You can see I've plated them. I'm just pouring the stock and the tomatoes and the herbs over it. Now put in some of the juices, because when I'm going to consume it, I think I'll use it some sliced bread to dip it with it and enjoy it. So the New Zealand green shell mussels are ready in Vietnamese style. I'm just going to try it. Take a bread, dip it in. Amazing, the freshness of the herbs. tomatoes and the white wine. Amazing, amazing.